Guys, this is something you must do with Rovan RCs before you drive them. It don't matter what Rovan it is. You always need to do this, and one of those things is taking the chassis, or taking the screws out, and making sure you either blue or red Loctite them. I am going to red Loctite these, but you don't need to red Loctite yours. You can blue them if you want. I've got a Milwaukee Impact I'm going to use for doing this, but you don't need to. You can use hand tools. That one actually looks like I might have already Loctited it. There's a couple I already Loctited, and can't remember which ones. Go. All there is to it, guys. I'm going to do the rest of this chassis quick, and then we'll talk about it.